data. Yung mga messages, hindi po kinokollect yun. Kasi aside from...
Regardless,
Okay.
whether or not nandiyan kayo data, you
Yes.
cannot use the Data Privacy Act as your shield against this court order.
That-
Para you understanding.
That is correct, Mr.
That is
Chair.
correct.
That is correct.
Dalawang cellphone, nag-uusap, hindi ma-recover dyan sa system ninyo, ay hindi ako maniwala.
Pero sa amin kasi we only provide the connectivity and the logs.
Magandang araw sa atin lahat mga kababayan. Patungkol sa pagdinig sa Senado sa nangyaring ambush kay Vice Mayor Alameda ng Apari, Cagayan. Dahil sa pagdinig na ito ay nabisto po ni Senator Bato de la Rosa na umano'y hindi pala kaya mag-retrieve ng anumang messages ng Globe Telecommunication sa kanilang system. Ngunit si Senator Bato de la Rosa ay mukhang ayaw makapaniwala bilang miyembro umano ng isang pulis, dating chief of police at naging miyembro ng anti-terrorism, ay mukhang malabo umano na hindi pwede ma-retrieve. Posible umano may system itong Globe Telecommunication na ayaw lang makompromise at posibleng may tinatakpan din itong Globe Communication. Ngunit ayon sa representative at abogado ng Globe Telecommunication ay wala umano sila ang kakayanan at hindi nila kayang i-retrieve ang anumang messages. Kasunod po nito na dapat ma-retrieve ang mga messages mula sa number ni Mayor Chan at ng kanyang kausap para sana malaman kung ano ang kanilang pinag-usapan o posibleng inutos ba ni Mayor Chan ang pagpatumba dito kay Vice Mayor Alameda. Kaugnay dyan, pakinggan po natin ang mainit na diskusyon at sagutan ni Senator Bato de la Rosa at ang abogado ng Globe Telecommunication.
Hindi alam ng korte yung ginagawa niya, hindi alam ng judge.
Alam ng judge po yan, Mr. Senator, pero sa amin kasi wala talaga pong kahit sinong service provider, hindi po kinokollect ang content data. Yung mga messages, hindi po kinokollect yun. Kasi aside from that issue on...
Okay, so
Privacy.
number one, settle na tayo sa issue that you are not prevented. The Data Privacy Act is not preventing you from providing such data.
If we have the
You agree
data.
with that?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, if we have the data, Mr. Chairman. But
No. Regardless,
Yeah, okay.
whether or not nandiyan kayo data, you
Yes.
cannot use the Data Privacy Act as your shield against this court order.
That-
Para you understanding.
that is correct, Mr.
That is
Chair.
correct.
That is correct.
Yeah.
But
So okay,
okay.
hindi nyo pwede gawing panangga yung Data Privacy Act.
That's correct.
Number two,
Oh.
to the issue na sinabi mo na your system, you don't have a system to store yung mga text messages, eavesdropping or whatever issues like that. Basta, sinasabi mo ngayon, klaruhin mo, wala kayong capability, wala kayong system na ma-retrieve yung mga text messages namin?
Wala po.
Are you sure?
Yes. Opo. Actually, yung mga retrieval ng text messages, nasa phone mismo yon. It's computer data. So, it's either the sender or the receiver may retrieve those content. Kasi yung content po resides in the device.
Yes, nasa device. Pero
Okay.
lahat man yan dadaan sa system ninyo. Hindi mo yan ma-record doon.
Mr. Senator, we're just providing connectivity.
Ha?
We're just providing connectivity po.
Wow.
So,
ako
content
ha,
we
Mr.
don't...
Tubayan,
Yes.
Atty. Tubayan, hindi ako ganun ka-expert sa IT, ha? Pero alam ko yan. Huwag mo kami lukuhin dito na hindi ma-record doon sa system ninyo yung mga text messages namin. Ayaw, do not tell us, do not fool us.
That's, Mr. Senator, I'm telling what I know. And yun po ang kalakaran talaga sa telco. Wala po talagang nagpre-preserve ng mga text messages. Remember, we're the text capital of the world. Kung i-preserve po namin lahat yan, napakadaming resources ang kailangan. So, hindi po talaga namin preserve ang SMS.
Oh, hindi pinipreserve. Granting hindi pinipreserve. Pero wala, is there no way within your system na maka-retrieve tayo? Bigay ko sa yung number. Maka-retrieve tayo ng text messages niya.
Ang
Coming from the mastermind of that crime.
Yeah.
Giving orders to the gunmen, to to the ones who perpetrated the crimes.
Yes.
Dalawang cellphone, nag-uusap, hindi ma-recover dyan sa system ninyo, ay hindi ako maniwala.
Ang marirecover po are the logs, the traffic data, which means yung date and time of sending, on ilang beses nag-send, yun po, and sinong pinag-senda na number, yun po na meron po kamukha. Traffic data po, not content data.
Alam mo, sir, I would not insist on giving you some details or giving you some names. Otherwise, marami makukompromise dito. May makukompromise. Pero alam ko, marirecover yan sa inyo. I've been a retired police officer. I've been working with the intelligence community. I've been fighting terrorism. Alam ko yan lahat-lahat yan. Alam ko, nandyan yan sa inyo. Alam ko, nandyan yan. Pero
Nare-record yan. Kahit po, siguro, some of our...
kahit na mag-exert kayo ng effort na ma-record, ma-recover, wala?
Wala po. Actually, meron pong paraan yan.
Meron pala.
Pero hindi po sa network namin. Actually, napakinggan ko lang dito sa Senate hearings din po yun, sa Justice Committee before, under Senator Gordon. One of the resource persons there mentioned of an application whereby text messages may be recovered either from the sender or from the receiver. There's an application po na i-install, pwedeng ma-recover na lahat po yun.
So wala kayong app na yan?
Wala po.
Hindi nyo
po.
kaya yan?
Doon po sa receiver and sender po yan. Pero sa amin kasi we only provide the connectivity and the logs.
Ako, alam ko, pwede recover din sa inyo. Sa loob ninyo. Loob ninyo. Pwede recover yan. You know why? Basta alam ko, pwede recover yan sa loob ninyo. Pero ayaw ko lang magsalita dito ng marami makompromise. Pero alam ko, pwede yan eh. Sino bang kuhan dyan? May kasama ka bang taga-technical sector nyo?
Unfortunately, ako lang po.
Ikaw lang?
Mr. Chairman.
Legal ka lang. Sa legal ka, di ba?
Policy po.
Policy. Alam mo, sige. I think marami pa tayong gagawin dito. Ha? DICT? DICT. Meron ba tayong DICT dito? Yes, go ahead, Senator Pimentel.
Okay, Mr. Tubayan. Are you lawyer?
Yes,
Sa Panyero?
Mr. Senator.
Apa. Agree ka sa opinion ng NPC that it is not against the law to retain the text messages and even to disclose them if upon court order? Agree pa tayo doon, di ba?
We agree,
Yes,
Mr. Chairman.
except that you don't
Yes,
collect
we don't
the
have.
data.
Yes.
Is that a business judgment?
I think so, Mr. Chair and Mr. Senator, because one, aside from at the time when that was implemented, we're all thinking of this might probably violate privacy because anyone from Globe will be able to see text messages from any citizen being sent from one to another. Second, it will consume a lot of resources if we store this in some data warehouse, Mr. Senator.
O yan pong parang ang pagkaintindi ko, Mr. Chairman, hindi bawal except that they opted as a business not to. Sabi nila, it's a business judgment nila na not to do it dahil sa gastos sa resources, siguro yung ano ba yan, servers or hard drives ang kailangan dyan, plus may risk daw, Mr. Chairman, na baka yung empleyado will without authority access the information and leak it. They balik din sa Globe yun. So at least we heard your point of view. At least na-establish din natin ngayon na hindi naman bawal gawin yon, and if upon court order or a proper order, hindi rin bawal to disclose the content. Salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Minority Leader. So what if mag-formulate kami ng batas, mag-pass kami ng batas requiring you to store kahit na text messages lang?
Well,
Can you do it?
we will submit to the sovereign will of the people as
Yeah.
represented by the honorable senators.
Yeah, because
Mr. Chair.
ako, hindi ako abogado ha. Hindi ako abogado, pero kayong Globe, kukonsensyahin ko kayo na maawa naman kayo, tumulong naman kayo sa gobyerno na masolve itong mga kaso dito. Kaya naglipa na ang krimen dahil apparently yung people like you from the private sector are not cooperating with us as far as solving crimes and preventing crimes. Sana, kahit na sinasabi mo na wala sa system nyo, hindi ako naniniwala. Kung gusto talaga ninyo, may paraan yan. May paraan yan. If you want to follow the court order, kaya ninyong gawin yan. But anyway, gagawa kami ng batas. Gagawin kami ng batas na i-require kayo na pag kinakailangan ng investigating agency, yung warrant to disclose computer data, including the content. So dapat you have to restore, you have to store the contents of communications. Kahit na text messages lang.
Well, we submit to the wisdom of the legislature, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
But,
we will do that.